In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use AI search tool in the Google Gemini Windows app. Inside the Gemini Windows app, start by clicking into the search box and typing a clear research topic. For example, you can enter USA history. Short, general topics work, but you'll often get better results by being more specific. If you already have a focus in mind, include it right in your query, such as USA history causes of the Civil War, USA history primary sources, or USA history timeline for beginners. Quotation marks can narrow results to exact phrases, and adding a minus sign before a word can filter out what you don't need. When the topic looks right, submit the search and give the app a moment to gather sources tailored to your query. After the results load, pay close attention to the bottom part of the results area. This is where the app lists the websites that contain articles or other resources related to your topic. You'll typically see the page title, a short snippet that highlights where your keywords appear, and the site's domain, which helps you judge credibility at a glance. Prioritize well-known educational institutions, museums, libraries, and reputable news or reference sites. Whenever a publication date is visible, check it so you know how current the information is for your needs. Use the snippets to quickly identify which links are most relevant. If a listing mentions key terms you care about, like primary documents, timelines, or expert analysis, it's probably worth exploring. As you read, compare a couple of reputable sources to confirm facts and spot bias. If you notice the results don't quite match your intent, refine the wording in the same search field and try again with clearer terms or added keywords that reflect your angle. For broad topics like USA history, it can help to scan a general overview first for context, then move to more focused links in that bottom list. This layered approach lets you build a foundation quickly and then dive deeper with confidence. Keep brief notes on the titles and domains that look strongest so you can return to them easily. When you find especially useful resources, explore any references or further reading sections provided to extend your research with high-quality material. And that's it. You type your research topic, then review the websites that appear in the bottom section to find reliable articles and resources. Practice a few variations of your query to see how the results change, and you'll get faster and more precise with every search.